Let me show you how to quickly create a Vite React TypeScript template. So let's get started. Select the folder where you want to place your project. Open Git Bash here. Let's open the Vite setup guide. Here is the command to copy. Paste it into your Git Bash terminal. Then name the project folder. Next, choose the template you want to use. We'll go back to the Vite guide for a list of templates. For our template, let's use React TypeScript. Go to your project folder with this command. Next, open it in your code editor. However, I will be using Visual Studio Code for this video. It would be much better if you opened another Git Bash terminal in your VS Code. In this part, I will use the npm install command, but you can also use npm if you prefer. To start the Vite development server, I will use npm run dev. Here's the link. It's working. Thanks for watching.